Cooking some steaks, New York strip steaks. First time in the Big Green Egg. Step 1, special charcoal. This is literally charcoal. It's graphite. Oh wow, look at that. And that, what's that, a starter? What does that look like? So just a bunch of
Almost like cardboard.
oh cool, you can see into that. It looks like a little candle. Ooh, it's hot, huh? Did you send your eyebrows?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, me too. I don't know what I was expecting looking at that. You can feel the heat coming out of this. What do we have it set up now? We have this about what, quarter way?
That's probably half.
Half? Okay, and then we got this about half silver moon.
Yeah.
2 to 3 minutes on one side sear. Flip it.
Well, those are probably only an inch.
Yep, they're an inch. They're an inch.
So
An
we'll
inch and a half.
2 minutes each side.
Oh, okay. Yeah, let's do it. Oh my gosh, listen to that sizzle. Beautiful. That went down
I would say 2 minutes.
Yeah, I got you.
almost 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Oh, that smells amazing. Oh my. I wish your nostrils can reach out through the camera and smell this wonderful exhaust. Oh my Lord, that smells amazing. That smells absolutely. How good does that smell? How good does that smell? That smells amazing.
Literally as you asked, start vibrating. And now 30. Okay, 3 minutes.
2.
2.
Oh, burp. How many men does it take to burp an egg? Oh. Oh.
Oh
Oh my
my god.
Lord. My God. Look at, oh my God. What
Actually,
is
might
this?
not be bad.
That looks absolutely beautiful. Wow, I can't wait to slice these up. What is it like? No, but seriously though, what is it?
That's fucking really good, dude.
What, are you serious?
Yeah,
What's-
seriously. Like, try it. Try it. Here.
It's on record. You know what?
No.
Just like I'm in a steakhouse.
Because it's got to be real. Like, it really is incredible.
Denver can not be
That was what's up. All right, Melissa, your reaction? That is a really good steak.